Was geht ab, Leute? Ich bin's mal wieder, euer Total. Und heute gucken wir 10 Minuten auf Extreme Fortnite Hackers. Also, mein letztes Video hatte leider keinen Sound. Ich muss mich dafür nochmal selber entschuldigen. Ja, also auf jeden Fall, let's go. By the way, ich muss das auch mal auf nicht abpassen.
Get him, bro, get him! Buddy is got a good gaming chat.
Spectators, 46 kills.
Bro, this is it.
Come on, get him.
You need to do 50. You got this.
I don't know.
Come on,
If
keep
I kill it,
shooting.
I'm probably gonna
Believe
die.
in yourself. Believe in yourself.
Bro, I hit someone building.
What the hell?
Oh my
Get him,
god.
get him, get him, get him, get him, get
One
him.
more time.
47.
You got this, you got this.
Thank you.
Oh,
Okay, what? Wait, what?
This guy's cheating, I think.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, he's cheating. He's cheating.
Play replacements. Hopefully they fight each other. Are you kidding me? What's this guy's name?
Streamer.
Oh my god, you're dead, man.
Oh great, now he's got the deagle, so he's hitting for 100 fucking damage every time. Get a clip of this.
ja, moin Leute, das mit der Diegel, das kann man auch mal machen.
Doesn't swap.
Died. He just killed everybody.
He just killed everyone in the game. This bot won the game.
What? 87 kills? What?
I'm the real hacker.
I'm the real hacker.
Bro, I'm the real hacker because look. Look.
Only person hacking here is your mom.
Dude,
I'm the real hacker.
dude, listen. If you say that again, I swear to God, I'm the real hacker.
I'm the real hacker.
No, you're not. You're the one dead.
I'm the real hacker.
All right, perfect, boys.
Get him, Jimmy.
Get him, Jimmy.
I'm proud. I'm proud.
Jimmy, you got it, bro.
32. 30.
Alright, we got this part cleared out.
Perfect, boys, perfect.
Nice.
We're looking
35.
good.
I just got shot. Oh my god, I have 23 health. What?
Bro, Jimmy's going ham right
He's trying
now.
to go for me. No.
Oh, no. Brad, no.
Just go on without me.
Did you get him?
Yo, he's got 41. Just go.
Yeah, I'm
just
pretty
go.
sure. Let's
Alright,
just go
perfect.
40,
Go,
40.
Just go.
All right, keep going, bro. Keep going.
Once you can get
You're so close to 60.
Okay, he's cheating.
Oh,
He's cheating. I knew it, dude. Like,
3 oder 2.
I'm pretty sure you guys was thinking I was fucking lying or like I was getting upset because I got killed. But that was no way that someone can be 100% accuracy with a fucking revolver. Because
Ja,
revolver.
kam noch
Yeah, he's cheating.
mal machen.
Okay, what is that? Are you kidding me? What was that garbage, dude? Hold on. What is that? He keeps aiming at that exact... What the hell is this? What are you aiming at? Oh my god! Dude, what is that? What is this garbage, dude? What are you aiming at? If there's a person over here, I'm clipping this and just sending this into fucking Jaga. Oh my god!
No, that wasn't
Such a
her.
cheater, dude. I know. But they're both aiming directly at him through the mountain. How'd they know shit were there? Look, buddy, you gotta see, our guy was aiming, he was aiming through the mountain exactly. Look at that! That's cheating!
Ça tire. S'il y a des gens dans la ville.
What? Je me fais tirer dessus, les gars?
Dans les docks 1, derrière, en 33. Il faut aider Coco.
Oh moin, das kann man ja auch mal machen. Das krieg ich jetzt.
I think I've got enough evidence there.
Jesus Christ, dude. He's so clearly hacking, man. He shot the guy through a wall.
Wow.
I think that might have been just
just lag, but Christ.
Oh no.
Ja, gut.
Bro, this is the first like legit hacker I've ever found, bro. Bro, get him, boy. Get him. Wow, how is he so good? Ray, how is he so good? Yeah, I know. Ray, how is he so good?
Passiert das ja auch. Deutsch ist wieder am Start.
Yo! This is ridiculous right now. Can't believe what I'm seeing. Look, 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 look. Okay, okay, okay. No!
You only have 33 spectators.
Bro, I've never seen a hacker so scared. Oh
Need to find
my
some healing
god.
mode.
That hacker knows, bro. No, well, not the hacker, the airplane guy. He knows that you can't
That's
get
the
him.
last guy.
Well, his friends
No.
suspect there's 5 people left. 5 people.
You need to shoot him out.
I know, but I barely have ammo.
So your aimbot doesn't lock onto him, right?
No,
He's
but I
gone.
think he just gave up.
No, he's come back around. Bro, he's gonna get you. Oh my god, you're gonna get him, bro. He knows.
I believe in you.
Jimmy, you need to just pin him when he's like flying away. Where is he? Where is he?
Try and loot that guy.
Wait, what? There's a guy shooting at you.
This is it, Jimmy. This is it.
Jimmy, you're gonna have to get out of there. Jimmy, get out of there. Jimmy, get out of there. Jimmy, you had it, bro.
48.
Jimmy, 48, Jimmy, and 33 spec.
I'm using chat stream as the spectating platform, dude. Easy. Thanks, chat.
Oh, das war schwer, weil das dann so ohne Ende war. Und so
Mage right now. Are you kidding? Why is it always mage? Get after me! Oh my god! I'm rifting. I rifted him with me. What the? Oh, hacker. No way, dude! Like, what is this game? Ah! Oh, where? What? What the f is happening? Ah! Yo! What the f? What? Yo, look at him! Catamari! He just killed everyone in the server, I think.
He's cheating! He's cheating!
Look at this! Oh, he's the final boss!
They didn't even notice he fucking edited a fucking pyramid behind him. Oh my god. Get him, boys! He's gone fucking lit, let's go! This guy sucks, dick and cheating. Oh, they're building at him, he's so scared. He doesn't know how to build, look at this fucking idiot! You suck so much! Holy sh**.
So. So gehen wir mal kurz nach ganz. So, einfach auf YouTube. So, neu, was übrig. So. Ja, das war's auch schon leider wieder von diesem Video. Ja, haut rein, bis morgen. Bis morgen. Euer Luthern, ciao.